You have to feel the hydraulics when you are working. So I tell my customers, my employees that if you cut my veins, you will find hydraulic oil flowing in them, not blood anymore.
Sometimes, it's steady decisions that shape big journeys. In 1999, Kapil Sehgal left his job to start Sterling Fluids. After years of ups and downs, he approached Bucher Hydraulics for a joint venture. 6 years later, impressed by his vision, Bucher chose him to lead their India operations, marking the start of a bold new chapter. Kapil Sehgal's journey didn't begin with a big title. It started quietly, over 30 years ago, with a mechanical engineering degree and a deep curiosity. From early design roles to solving real problems with customers, he found his true calling in hydraulics.
From 2006 to 2012, we were a small company staying in a rented premise where we were actually testing the market. So whatever we did from 2000 to 2006 as a Sterling fluid, as a distributor for Bucher Hydraulics, so we took it further as Bucher Hydraulics and made further inroads into the market.
By 2012, Kapil was trusted to lead Bucher Hydraulics India. With that came a big move, shifting into a plant of their own in Manesar, built thoughtfully to support world-class manufacturing. From robotics to advanced machining, every decision was made to ensure they stayed ready for tomorrow. That vision helped them stay strong even during the toughest times, like COVID. Today, Bucher Hydraulics India is a global supply hub, trusted by leading OEMs and powered by a team that grew with the dream.
So whatever you will see on the shop floor, automation and stuff like that, this is not only by me, but all the team members. So I believe you have certain positives, but you may have certain negatives. And these negatives can be overshadowed by the positives of your team members. And you should find out the team members who are able to suppress the negatives in you.
By building a team like family and empowering them with the right tools, he turned a small dream into a 250 crore rupees success story.